Dubai's real estate scene is evolving faster than ever. Forget what you thought you knew about luxury living. This video is going to reveal the cutting-edge developments, exclusive neighborhoods, and mind-blowing projects that are shaping the future of real estate in Dubai. Whether you're an investor, a homeowner, or just someone who's curious about where the market is headed, this is one video you don't want to skip. And a real quick one, before we dive into the good stuff, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. It helps push this content to more people, and if you're into real estate, finance, or business in Dubai, I've got a ton more coming your way. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Dubai's booming real estate market is attracting global attention. 2024 was a wild year for property in Dubai. The numbers don't lie. Sales volumes broke records, prices surged across prime areas, and demand from international investors hit an all-time high. Whether it was the flood of digital nomads relocating here, high net worth individuals buying second homes, or institutional investors placing bets on the market, the momentum has been undeniable. And the best part, in my opinion, is it's not slowing down in 2025. Developers are launching more ambitious projects, investors are doubling down, and property is becoming more than just a place to live. It's a status symbol, an asset class, and in many ways a statement about the future. Dubai is positioning itself not just as a luxury hotspot, but as a global real estate capital with great liquidity potential. So let's break down what's actually changing and what you should be paying attention to in 2025 and beyond. Let's start with the high end of the market, because this is where Dubai continues to set the global benchmark. In the past, luxury meant a spacious villa or a waterfront apartment, but now we're talking about ultra luxury penthouses with private elevators, infinity pools suspended hundreds of meters in the air, and interiors designed by global fashion houses like Versace and Armani. Developers are no longer just selling square footage. They're literally selling lifestyle, exclusivity, and bragging rights. Projects like Bugatti residences, Como residences, and the newest towers in Business Bay and downtown are pushing architectural boundaries and commanding 80 million dirhams, 100 million dirhams, or even 150 million dirhams price tags. And these properties are actually literally selling, because globally, Dubai's luxury market is still seen as a bargain compared to cities like London, New York, or Hong Kong. There's also a huge demand for branded residences like villas designed in collaboration with luxury car manufacturers or hotels. And that demand is creating a new ultra premium segment in Dubai's already luxury saturated market. Sustainable development and smart homes are becoming the norm, but it's not just about glitz and glamour anymore. One of the biggest shifts we're seeing in 2025 is the rise of sustainable and smart homes. Dubai is getting serious about its climate goals, and the real estate industry is playing a key role. Developers are focusing more on green certifications, solar-powered buildings, energy-efficient designs, and even car-free communities. So communities like the Sustainable City or Expo City are gaining traction because they offer a futuristic way of living, where your home actually saves you money and reduces your carbon footprint. So smart home technology is no longer a luxury, it's expected. Buyers are looking for properties with integrated systems, remote lighting, AC control, AI-powered security, voice-activated appliances, you literally name it and they have it. And with Dubai's focus on becoming a smart city, homes that are digitally integrated and environmentally responsible are commanding a premium. People aren't just buying a home anymore. They're buying convenience, long-term value, and peace of mind that their investment is future-proof for many, many years to come. Now, let's talk about the off-plan property trend, because this has exploded in the last 18 months and is continuing strong into 2025. If you're not familiar, off-plan means buying a property that hasn't been completed yet, often at pre-launch or launch stage prices. And why this matters is simple. It gives investors the chance to lock in a unit at a lower price, benefit from capital appreciation during the construction phase, and pay in flexible installments instead of front-loading all the cash. And the best part, in my opinion, is Dubai's regulatory environment for off-plan has matured a lot over the years. Developers must now follow stricter escrow regulations, project milestones are tied to RERA oversight, and buyers have more protections than ever before. That's led to a surge in off-plan sales, especially in areas like JVC, Arjan, Dubai South, and new communities popping up near Expo City and along Sheikh Zayed Road extension zones. For investors, this means lower entry prices, better payment plans, and if timed right, impressive returns. For end users, it's a way to secure a brand new property without paying a huge upfront cost. Now, here is the bigger picture. Dubai is no longer competing just regionally. It's now a contender on the global real estate stage. And I think that's because the fundamentals are too strong to ignore. Strategic geographic location, no income tax, safe and stable governance, world-class infrastructure and security, and policies like the Golden Visa are attracting long-term residents who are willing to buy and not just rent. Dubai is building a lifestyle that appeals to entrepreneurs, investors, and families alike. And what's more, they're backing it with smart urban planning. The Dubai 2040 Urban Master Plan is a clear roadmap for how the city will grow sustainably with more green space, public transportation access, and vibrant community zones. International investment is flowing in from everywhere, like India, China, Russia, Europe, and now even the US. And as Dubai continues to position itself as a hub for global commerce, crypto, AI, and tech, real estate is the physical foundation of that vision. So here are my final thoughts. Dubai's real estate market isn't just hot, I think it's strategic. The trends we're seeing in 2025 aren't random. They're part of a broader movement that's redefining what it means to invest, live, and build wealth in one of the world's most dynamic cities. Luxury is reaching new heights. Smart homes and sustainable living are becoming the standard. Off-plan is offering more accessible entry points to the market. And globally, Dubai is cementing its place as a real estate powerhouse. So whether you're an investor looking for your next opportunity, a buyer trying to decide whether to go off-plan or ready to move, or just someone fascinated by how fast the city is growing, Dubai's real estate market is something you need to watch real closely. With that being said, let me know in the comments below, are you considering property in Dubai this year? Which trends stand out to you the most? And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and join the members only group for exclusive deep dives into real estate, finance, and life in Dubai. With that being said, see you guys in the next one.